What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play $5 Pony Rides by Mac Miller. I'm going to give you the chords, I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm also going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. I'm going to put timestamps down in the comment section below so you can refer to that if you want to. But first, here's a little preview of what it's going to sound like. Let me give you what you want. Oh, maybe later what you need. Yeah, I remember, girl, you used to have fun, but I ain't see you smile in a while. Heard you feeling really lonely. Your daddy should have bought you that pony. So I have a capo on the 3rd fret. Everything that I teach is relative to the capo. There's 4 main chords that I use for the song. There's a 5th chord that you can use if you want to, but that's totally up to your discretion. But the 4 main chords are A major 7, A major 9, G sharp minor 7, and F sharp minor 7. And that 5th chord that you can use if you want to is a C sharp minor 7. And I'll explain that later on in the video. But here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is an A major 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and the B string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is an A major 9. Now I want you to pay very close attention here. All we're going to do is we're going to take our ring finger off of the B string, and we have an A major 9. Okay, next chord is a G sharp minor 7, so we're going to bar this, the 4th fret, and we're going to put our finger on the 6th fret of the A string. It's going to sound like this. Next chord is an F sharp minor 7, so we're just going to do that same chord shape, but we're going to go down to the 2nd fret. And that ring finger is now on the 4th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Now that 5th chord that you can use if you want to is a C sharp minor 7. And for that chord, we're going to bar the 4th fret, and we're putting our fingers on the 5th fret of the B string and the 6th frets of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. Now for that chord, you can interchange that with the F sharp minor 7. Okay, so the progression goes exactly how I explained it. A major 7 to A major 9, G sharp minor 7 to F sharp minor 7, or G sharp minor 7 to C sharp minor 7. Okay, up to your choice. In terms of a 4 count, it's gonna go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so as you noticed, we're switching between each chord halfway through the 4 counts. So here's the A major 7, 1, 2, and then we switch to the A major 9, 3, 4. And then same deal for the 3rd and the 4th chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just take note of that. And as far as a strumming pattern that you can use, you can do this: down, up, down, down, up, down, down. All right, again, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Now, since we're switching halfway through the 4 count between each chords, we're also going to do that for the strumming pattern. So what I mean is, we'll take it from the A major 7. So down, up, down, and then we switch to the A major 9, and then we complete the second half of that strumming pattern. Down, up, down, down. Okay? And again with the 3rd and the 4th chord. Down, up, down, and then we switch, and finish the rest of that strumming pattern. Down, up, down, down. Okay? So again, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. Now, you can also just pluck the strings, so okay, but like I always say, it's really whatever you want. And yeah, so just add your own little twist to it, but that is how you play the song. Alright guys, I appreciate you tapping into this video. Hopefully this tutorial really helped you out and added value to you. If it did, please let me know in the comment section below. If you need clarification on anything, comment down below. Ask me questions, I'll answer back as best as I can. And also, please consider subscribing if you want more tutorials like this. And right now, there's another tutorial that's popping up on your screen. If you like this one, go ahead and check that other one out. And I will see you guys on the next video.